Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering dish in store for you. Mapo Tofu. Let's jump right into it. To begin, let's prepare the tantalizing Mapo Tofu sauce. Drain the sauce into a prep bowl and dilute it with some water. Set it aside for later use. Now onto the star ingredient, tofu. Grab a pack of tofu and dice it into small delectable chunks. Place them in a prep bowl and keep them aside for now. Next, let's focus on the aromatics. Separate the scallion whites from the grains. Mince both the scallion whites, scallion grains, and some garlic cloves. It's time to fire up the heat. Heat some cooking oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add in the ground beef and stir until it changes color and becomes nicely cooked. Now, let's introduce those aromatic flavors. Stir in the minced scallion whites, garlic, and some hand-shredded dried chili peppers. Continue stirring until the aroma fills the air. Once the fragrance fills the kitchen, it's time to add in the tofu cubes. Stir everything together for about a minute, ensuring the tofu gets coated with all those incredible flavors. Now, let's pour in the diluted sauce we prepared earlier. Cook everything over medium heat for about 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together beautifully. To intensify the flavors, crank up the heat to high and let the broth thicken to perfection. Finally, it's time for the finishing touch. Garnish the Mapo Tofu with the vibrant scallion greens and it's ready to be savored. Serve this delectable dish immediately and get ready to be amazed by the robust flavors. I can't wait for you to try this recipe and share your feedback with me. Your comments mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.